Some homecomings are calm. Mine began with chaos. I came back from a fishing trip in Alaska and froze at the sight of my yard. Folding chairs covered my lawn. A massive white tent stood in my backyard. And flowers were being set up on my porch. Like it was a wedding venue. I asked, "What are you doing here?" One woman smirked. "Oh, you must be the groundskeeper. The bride paid for cleanup." "No, Mom," I said, "I own this house." "Who gave you permission?" "The HOA did," she said. "Cheryl approved it." Cheryl, the so-called queen of the neighborhood, I called her, and she said, "Oh, Daniel, poor Amanda lost her venue and your lawn was unused. So we thought it was fine. You figured wrong." I snapped, "Take it all down," but she refused. "Daniel, this is for the community." She barked. That's when I saw the patio door unlocked, a cooler in my kitchen, wedding programs with my address. Printed enough was enough. I gave them 1 hour, they ignored me. So I called my lawyer, Jim X. Marine. Quiet man gets results. He confirmed the HOA had no right. We sent a cease and desist. Cheryl told everyone to ignore it. That was her mistake. Next morning at 6, bulldozers rolled in. It was patio renovation day. Hungover guests ran. The bride screamed. Cheryl showed up in a bathrobe. I just sipped my coffee and waved. By noon, the tent was gone. The lawn was bare, and my footage went viral. Days later, Cheryl was exposed. She had acted alone. She resigned in shame. The HOA paid damages and even wrote a new rule in my name. The Daniel Rule, banning members from private property. Amanda moved her wedding to a motel. Cheryl moved out, and me. I built a pool where the tent once stood. On the gate, a plaque reads, "In memory of Amanda's wedding and Cheryl's reign. Trespassers will be demolished. Lesson: respect private property." Because some fences don't come with warnings, they come with bulldozers.